If you're watching this, chances are you want to make sheer amount of money, live your dream life, and finally step into your money girl era. And guess what? You can. This is how I started making money from scratch, and this is how you can too. Here's what we are covering in this video so that you can build your own financial freedom step by step. Make sure you don't miss any chapter, so grab your journal right now because we are about to plan your rich girl era. So let's move on to the first chapter, mindset shifter into your money girl era. The very first thing you should do to enter your rich girl era is to shift your mindset. You can't build a rich life with a broke mindset, period. The first mindset shift you need to make is to kill your limiting beliefs. Stop thinking, I am not capable or I am not the type of girl who makes money. You are. The only thing that's holding you back is the story you keep telling yourself. Start believing that you have got an amazing mindset and you are literally ready to rise. You are already hurt because you are growing, learning, and leveling up. Just believe that you are capable and you are the type of girl who makes money. And next thing you have to do is to develop a burning desire inside you. You need to want it so bad that you'll do whatever it takes. That call, that dream, that fire inside you, it was planted for a reason. You are meant for it. You deserve it and you will create it. And then have unshakable faith in yourself. Start believing that it's already done. That future version of you, she exists and she's waiting for you to show up as her. Walk, talk, act like her. Align your habits and daily actions with the life you want. Live like you're already it. That's how it manifests. And then just stop saying, I can't afford it. You can. You will find a way. You will make some money. You are not someone who avoids things because of fear. You are someone who finds a way. That's the difference between staying stuck and leveling up. And then you should know this, money flows to value. If you help people solve problems, entertain, teach, or inspire, you will get paid. The more value you give, the more money flows back to you. It's an energy exchange. Give value, show up, be consistent, and get paid. Now let's move on to the next chapter. Discover what you're good at. Alright, babe, if you want to make money, build your dream life, and glow up in every damn area, you have to get clear on what you're actually passionate about. Not what society told you to like, but what you actually like. What lights your soul on fire? Ask yourself what I'm genuinely interested in. It could be skincare, self improvement, sex education, cooking, fashion, dancing, makeup, money mindset, spirituality, music, fitness, finance, literally anything that you naturally enjoy. Okay, you can also ask yourself that what do I binge watch on YouTube or Instagram? That's a huge sign. The topics you always click on, the videos you love watching, that's your clue because you're excited to learn about it. Trust me, you are probably meant to teach it, create around it, or monetize it. Just grab your journal, answer these questions down. Also, stop overthinking. You don't need to have it all figured out. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to get clear on what you like, what you care about, and what you would love to learn more about, what you would like to help others about. Because clarity is power. And once you discover your thing, we move straight into the next step. Turn your passion into value. Alright, now that you have figured out what you love, it's time to shift your focus to how you can help people with it. Because here's the truth, money flows where value goes. If you want to earn, you need to give, you need to serve, or you need to solve. So ask yourself, how can I use what I love to help someone else? Let's break it down with real examples. Love fashion or skincare? Help people find the best products, give them tips, do reviews, teach them how to style outfits, or build a skincare routine. Obsessed with business, finance, or self improvement? Teach people what you know, share insights, mindset shift, productivity hacks, whatever helped you. Good at music, dance, or storytelling? Entertain people. Make them feel something, make them laugh, cry, vibe. You are giving them value just by being you. Creative with design, content, or branding? Sell your services. Help other people glow up their brand, their business, or their content. Just like I did. I was passionate about social media and design, so I turned that into my first service. Whatever you are good at, someone out there needs it. And they will pay for it if you show up with value. So stop asking, can I make money from this? Start asking, how can I help people with this? That's your power. That's your path. That's where the money starts flowing. Next, content creation is the gold mine you are sleeping on. Let's talk real. Whatever you're passionate about, there's a way to turn that into income. And the opportunity is literally in your hands right now, your phone. Content creations is the era of digital power. You can reach millions of people from your bedroom. You don't need a degree, a fancy office, or 100K followers. You need passion, value, and consistency. Here's the truth: if you have something to say it. If you know something valuable, teach it. If you love something deeply, share it. Start creating content around what you love. It can be faceless or with your face, it can be aesthetic, raw, short form, long form, it doesn't matter. What matters is that you start even with zero. Every post you put out is planting a seed, and one day those seeds will bloom into brand deals, passive income, digital products, clients, loyal community, freedom. That's the power of content creation. That's why it is your gold mine. So stop doubting and start posting. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to be real, valuable, and consistent. The world needs what you have. Start sharing it. I would say just try posting continuously for 90 days straight. You can just take a break once in a week, and once you complete the 90 days challenge, see the results. Now, chapter number 5: gain knowledge and start before you're ready. Okay, listen, this is a game changer. If you want to become that girl who makes money doing what she loves, you have got to gain so much knowledge that you become a damn expert in it. But don't just waste your time consuming random general stuff. There are two types of knowledge: general knowledge and specialized knowledge. General knowledge is stuff that's not really useful to your goals, and specialized knowledge is about what you're passionate about. This is the goal. This is the kind of knowledge that makes you valuable. It helps you help others, that turns into money. So ask yourself, what are you truly interested in? Whatever it is, study it like your life depends on it. Read books, watch videos, take courses, listen to podcasts, become the most informed, passionate, and confident version of yourself in that area. But, and this is a big but, don't wait until you know enough to start. You'll never feel 100% ready, you'll never have it all figured out, and you are not supposed to. The key: start messy, start unsure, start scared, just start. You'll feel lost in the beginning, yes, but action creates clarity. You'll figure it out as you go. You'll learn what works. You'll find the right tools. You'll get better, but nothing happens until you move. So stop waiting. Use what you know now and begin. Be consistent even when it's quiet. Because one day you'll be the girl everyone's watching and they'll call you lucky. But you'll know it's not luck. It's just that you were brave enough to start when no one was clapping. Start before you're ready. Your future self is waiting. And yes, final chapter: make money online even as a beginner. You have found your passion, you have started showing up, you have gained knowledge and clarity. Now it's time to turn it into money. Yes, real money. Even if you're just starting from scratch. Let's talk about monetization paths that actually work. These are beginner friendly, scalable, and absolutely game changing if you stay consistent. Number one is affiliate marketing. This is the easiest way to start earning without creating your own product. Recommend products you love, share the link, and earn every time someone buys. From skincare, fashion, books, digital tools, whatever aligns with your niche. Share it and monetize it. Number two is digital products. Girl, don't sleep on this. Take what you've learned, turn it into guide, a template, a planner, a checklist, an ebook, anything. Create once and sell forever. This is your passive income engine. Number three is UGC or brand collabs. You don't need a huge followings. Brands pay creators to make content for them. If you love creating aesthetic reels, talking about products, or just filming lifestyle clips, this is a gold mine. Start reaching out, build a portfolio, and get that back. Number four is freelance services. If you're good at designing, editing, social media, marketing, writing, literally anything, turn it into a service. Help others grow and grow your income in the process. You can start as a social media manager, a content strategist, a designer, a video editor. This is how I personally got started. Number five is YouTube automation. You don't even need to show your face. Build faceless YouTube channels with voiceovers, AI, or curated content. YouTube pays you once you hit monetization, and that income becomes passive once your videos start ranking and gaining traction. There are channels making lakhs just by posting value packed videos with a solid system. Choose your monetization paths and learn about it more. There are much YouTube contents out there which you can learn them from. And finally, you might not see huge results in the beginning. You might post and get no views. You might feel like no one's watching, but that doesn't mean it's not working. The secret: consistency. Show up every single day like it's already yours. Keep posting, keep learning, keep believing. Because the girl who shows up even when no one's clapping, she becomes unshakable, she becomes unmissable, and one day she blows up. And when that happens, you look back and be so damn proud that you never gave up. 6 months of insane consistency can change your whole life. So don't stop now. Your breakthrough is coming. You are about to be unstoppable. If this video gave you even 1% of clarity or motivation, drop a comment on how you felt, what you learned, or share any tips or lessons you think can help other girls in their journey. Let's grow together. Subscribe and I'll be right here cheering for you, guiding you, and giving you the exact steps to level up your dream life.